Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Uh, in today's topic, we will discuss the scientific use of Microsoft Excel, means in which we can use scientific formulas. And Excel has provided a number of functions and wonderful ways you can do this. Okay, so we are here through the admin, so at the add-ins which we have added, so it comes to the solver solution. Now this time we are going to solve a quadratic formula equation, for example. So by showing this, my intention is to elaborate how you can make use of Excel to groom up your uh, students if they are A level, O level, or whatever, arithmetics, and or your kids, for example, right? If he comes up to help you, he needs assistance, uh, and you use your Excel approach to solve his problem. For example, the problem is this, that he wants this equation to be solved, right? 5x square. A square is always written in here. You can write like this as well. Okay. So this is also an x square. Okay. In Excel, we should learn that how Excel. So this is caret sign. Normally, it is on the keyboard 8 key, and when you combine it with the shift, then it appears. It is also known as a caret sign, and and this is also known as an exponentation sign. Okay, when you want to say anything raised to power something, right? So you have to use this caret sign. You can use it. There are other ways also to do this. Okay, so let's use this formula, and we want to solve it. Okay, so if the equation is given to you is this, you are going to put it here. It will pass it into two phases and leaving the equals in between. Okay, so what this formula is doing is means the this is a very this is a way that you can make your logic that there will always be an equal to sign that is bifurcating the equation. The left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation, right? So the right hand side is used with this formula, that it is using a find command inside, find the equal to sign in this, and it found, then it is using the mid of this, starting from 1 plus of the sign, so that anything other after that is picked in here, right? Okay, similarly the find is also used in here. So this is used as a to get the left hand side of the formula. That's right. Okay, so they have to be equal to 0, means this plus this minus this is should be equal to 0. Okay, then if these are equal to, these are termed to be equal, otherwise they are no longer equal. Okay, so this, for this we are supposed to use the quadratic function. The quadratic formula of in the mathematics is into like this: ax squared plus bx plus c, right? where x is equal to this. So we got to find what is the value of x, right? And it has a plus minus sign. So for the, you have first option is the plus one, and the same formula is with the minus one. You can see this is a minus one. And square root is SQRT is being used here, right? In both cases, SQRT, it is required, right? So you have put the formula. Now you can put the values which are given in the system as A is equal to 5, B is equal to -1, and C is equal to -4, for example. Okay. This is an extra line. I can remove it. Let's focus on this one. Okay. So the formula is returning with the two values. The plus value is 1, and the minus value is, well, the other value with the minus option. It's coming to -0. So let's validate it. If it is right. So for this we have used x in here, right? So x is kept in here. We have named it as x. Okay. You can name any cell. For example, you select any cell, any range. If you want to name it as A, you can select it and put an A here. A here. Okay, now it is A, not 5, it is A. And anytime, at any place you want to use A in any arithmetic operation, you can do a multiply by 2, for example, right? So this is going to give you 10, right? So this is because you have named it itself. So similarly, we have named this as what? As x, and then we have used this formula to simulate this formula, right? So that comes to be to be so the value, and this will simulate this formula, and that will come up a value. And if we uh, deduct one with the other, the result is supposed to be 0. Okay, so let's test it. If we put a 1 in here, you will find that's fine. It is 1 because here this is. If you put 2 in here, huh, it is no longer 0. It means it fails. Since this equation is equal to that equation, so these two values have to be same in order to get a 0 in here. So let's uh, go to the goal seek, what if analysis, and we set this to 0, our target cell to 0, while changing x. Okay, so it is going to come up to the value that it is going to be 1. Okay, so that's it. It is more accurately, it is bringing the 1. Similarly, if you have, for example, a value -10, so, okay, so this is not equal to, so let's see, it should bring 0 -0.8 in order to bring this to. So let's use the goal seek. We are setting this to be 0. Our objective is this, and by changing this, okay, so you will see that it is going to bring 0.08. 0.8, right, is the value, and that's right. Okay, and this was the goal seek way of doing this, right, and making that. But for the quadratic equation, when using the quadratic equation, you can use this formula that minus b, this is minus b, okay, minus b plus is this, so that is C10, right? The minus b. Now plus, for the first case we will use plus, for the second case you will use here minus, okay, here, this one, right? It is the same formula will be copied here with the minus sign, okay? And then you are going to say b square, right? So that is b square, right? Right. So if you say this, yeah, b square minus 4ac. So this is minus 4ac. Yeah. If you include it, this is minus 4ac, right? And then this whole thing is divided by 2a. So this is 2a, right? So this is how we use the uh, functions, the scientific functions, and make a solution to algebraic problems, right? So this is how it is done. I hope you understand. Thank you very much for watching.